Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a stylus review which I brought from Amazon. So let's start unpacking the stylus. So the stylus is basically 1,569 rupees, but I got it for 399, which is like 75% off. This comes in jet black color and also in white color. So in the feature section it says that it works for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and also works for both Android and iOS. We get two of these type of nibs, one inside the pen and other in a box case like this. When I first saw people using this, I was kind of shocked to see the nib because it does not represent the usual kind of pen, right? Alright guys, let's try it out. I'm so excited. So I'm using an Android phone and I'm using the app called Keep Notes from Google. I'm not gonna lie guys, but at first I was skeptical because of the way the nib is. I was like, this is not the usual kind of pen and I don't think it would work out like I thought. But when I started writing, it's actually very smooth. I'm not gonna say it's like very smooth as like an Apple pencil. It's kind of like an okayish pen. You can use it on your Android devices or even iPhones. If you don't have a Galaxy tab with a Galaxy pen or an Apple tab with Apple pencil, you can totally try out this one. I think this one is the best one out there as a stylus, except the famous ones. Now let's take a closer view at the nib area. I have absolutely nothing to say about the nib except that it works smooth. I don't even understand the mechanism of how this type of nib works well with the screen. Since the phone I have right here is not a good phone and the process and all that is not that great, that is why kind of lags in between. Unless you have a pretty good phone, I think it works pretty decent. Alright guys, let's test out the stylus with my finger. As you can see, it's pretty hard to write with finger and I'm kinda actually struggling, but I still managed to like write things and you can't actually read them. But you know what, with the stylus it's actually very smooth and there is no struggle. In this whole video I have been admiring the stylus, except for the fact that the nib is kind of weird looking. Rest is okay. Just a quick video of me drawing on Ibis Paint X using this stylus. I can't end this video without saying a big bye to my old stylus, so I just want you guys to just check out my old stylus, and this is what I have been using for the past few months. It actually was also like better than finger, but not better than this new stylus actually. I got it as a pen on one side and a kind of smooth it's actually a pen. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and comment down below about that weird nib thing. I would like to know very much.